Okay. So, look at the shingle. We have some matting transfer here. We have some severe matting transfer here, and then severe matting transfer on the back of the shingle as well. You can see the granule transfer here and here, all along the sealant strip. We've got severe granule transfer. We've got breakdown of the matting, as is evidenced right here along the strip. So just from this visual and feeling so far, we already have a failure of the repair test. You can see here, you can see strands of fiberglass matting already, so we've already failed the repairability test at this point. Now, having said that, we're going to replace that shingle. Since it's just a simulated repair test, we're going to have to move this shingle. We're going to bend it to a 45-degree angle to nail that in. We're going to see if any damage is caused when we do that. Make sure we're all right.